Welcome to Surya Vidya Niketan. Welcome to Surya Vidya Niketan School online classes. Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you also very fine. In previous classes, we complete the second lesson. Today you can learn or discuss the textual exercises of the second lesson. See that page number 24. Talk about it. A Roman. Your teacher will read out the session 1. Listen the take and the sentences that are true. Only you can take the true ones. See that. The prince was happy because he had everything. The sentence is true. That's why I can tick it. First one. And second one, the statue of made of gold and covered with lead. Sentence is wrong. Cross it. Next, third one, the statue was sad. True. Tick it. The swallow did not want to go to warmer country. False. Cross it. The swallow is late in leaving for the warm country. Sentence is correct. Tick it. Next, in the same page, you see the B Roman. Read the session 2. Read the session 2 in pairs. Then talk in class about the people the swallow had helped it. See that. Whom did he help? What is the question? Whom did he help? Answer is the swallow gave the young man the blue gem from the princess eye so that he could have something to eat. That is the answer for the first one. Next, second one. What did he do for them? Answer is the swallow pecked the blue gem from the other eye. Prince, he gave it to the little girl. He could give it to her father. That is the B Roman. Next, you go to the C Roman. Read the session 3 by yourself, then work in groups of 5. Ask the questions each about the following. C Roman, you should try to frame a question. See that. First one is swallow. The swallow. How to frame the question? First one, whom did swallow see on under a bridge? Next, the prince. Who wanted the prince ask the swallow to peck off when he was left with no more gems. Third one, mayor. The mayor. What kind of a person was the mayor? Fourth one, the town councillors. How to frame the question? What did the town councillors say about the princess statue? Fifth one, the angels. How to frame the question? Whom did angels bring to the God? Next, the poor children. Why were the poor children sitting under the beach? This is the C Roman completed. Next, this one, D Roman. D Roman. See that. In the D Roman, in the same page, see that page number 24. Number these sentences about the story in the correct order. Here given some sentences. You can keep these sentences in order regarding to the lesson. See that. already first one done for you. When we happy prince died, his people made a statue of him. That is the first one. You keep the number in the blank. Can order 1 2 3 like that. You write the numbers in the blanks. See that second one. The statue becomes sad because of all the sharp things he could see. That is the second sentences. You keep the number 2. You write the number 2. Next one, third one. The prince told the swallow to give the red gem from his sword to a poor man. That is the 3. You keep the number 3. Write the number 3. Next one. The prince asked the swallow to take a gem from his eye and give it to the young man. That is the fourth one. Next. The swallow dead. That is fifth one. The prince was heartbroken. Sixth one. Next, last, seventh one. God told his angels to bring 2 precious things from the town. That is the song. 7. Next, eighth one. Eighth one. See that the angels brought the princess broken heart and the dead swallow to him. This is completed. See the how to numbers in order. First 7, 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2. This is the order. Next, page number 25. See that E. Roman, take the correct answer. What was the drop of water that fell on the swallow's head? Answer is C. That is a tear. In the blank you are tick it a tear. Next, second one. What was the first task that the swallow performed for the prince? I read the only correct answer. That is A. Delivered a red gem to the little boy's mother. A. Option A. Or tick it in the blank. That is the correct answer. Next, why was the swallow not happy to take a blue gem for the girls selling matches? That is the answer is C. He was afraid that without in the prince would become blind. Take it. That is the correct answer. Last one. Choose whose statue did the counselors want to put up in place of the happy prince? That is B. The mayor. Take it. Answer. Next, go to the G. Roman. G. Roman. Complete these sentences. First one. The prince was called the happy prince because the prince he was very short. Answer is he was very short. The sentence is he was never short. That is the answer. Next, second one. The water fell on the swallow's head was actually a tear from the princess eyes. That is the answer. A tear from the princess eyes. That is the answer. Next, the swallow did not feel cold anymore because answer is he had done a good deed. Answer is he had done a good deed. Next, the young man saw the blue gem and said that he could pay his rent and buy some food. That is the answer. Next, the little boys were laying down under a bridge because answer they were trying to stay warm and did not have a home to go to. Last one. When the swallow died, the prince is answer is heartbroken. This is the textual exercises is completed regarding to the second lesson. Next we will meet the next class. Thank you children.